That felt good. Oh, hello. My name is Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the pooping and farting sound effect from Yash 3Y made. It's from a video called Stinky Toy. Gacha fart slash diaper slash poop. It was uploaded today. The duration of the sound effect is 0:39 to 0:47. The cute music will be removed at the beginning and end. Now I will show you this sound effect. It sounds like this. See? This is how the pooping and farting sound effect sounds like. Ugh. I have to poop it out. Ouch. Ugh. Phew, that feels so much better. Remember kids, when you need to go poop, just use this sound effect. It starts at 0:39 and ends at 0:47. Make sure you remove the cute music at the beginning and end, okay?